Both ABS and traction control lights are on. Checking with a OBD scan tool shows a DTC code C1206. A Google search shows that C1206 means an open or faulty left rear wheel speed sensor. After checking that the fuses are okay and wire harness to the sensor is intact, I determine that the wires are okay and the defect is in the sensor. To get to the rear wheel hub sensor, we need to remove the wheel. Park the vehicle on a flat and stable surface. Engage the parking brake to secure the vehicle. Gather all necessary tools and equipment, including a jack stands, lug wrench, socket set, and appropriate safety gear. Before lifting the vehicle, use the lug wrench to slightly loosen the lug nuts on the left rear wheel. Do not remove them completely. Use a jack to lift the rear of the vehicle from the designated jacking point. Place jack stands under the vehicle to ensure safety while working underneath. Finish removing the loosened lug nuts and take off the left rear wheel. Disconnect any ABS sensor or other wiring connected to the hub assembly. Disconnect the brake calipers and set aside. Remove the brake disc by unscrewing the two screws holding it in place. It might be stuck due to rust or other factors, so you may need to use a rubber mallet or a similar tool to gently tap it and loosen it. The hub is secured in place by 4 bolts. Remove these bolts and carefully pull the hub assembly away from the suspension knuckle. Once the hub assembly is removed, inspect it for any damage or wear. The speed sensor is at the end of the hub. Remove the sensor by using a thin, flat screwdriver and slowly separate it from the hub. Replace the old sensor with the new one. Make sure there is no gap between the sensor and the hub. Reassemble the hub and reconnect any ABS sensor or wiring that was disconnected earlier. Put the left rear wheel back onto the hub and hand tighten the lug nuts. Double check all connections, bolts, and components to ensure everything is properly secured. Start the engine. No more ABS and traction control lights.